Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and wind your pocket watch. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy this kind of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. So what you need to do in order to set the time is to pull the crown all the way, and in this position you can set the time. This is a vintage 60s or 70s pocket watch. After you have set the time, push the crown all the way back in. And in this position, you can actually wind the watch. And you do that by rotating the crown to the right, so in a clockwise direction. And you can also hear the watch wind. You can see that the watch already started to tick. And that is how you set the time and you wind your pocket watch. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. This is how you set the time and you wind your vintage or more modern pocket watch. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.